Here's a 2014 INFINITI Q60 Coupe. A quicker response, effortless passing power, a refined, functional, and smart interior. The INFINITI Q60 puts it all in your control. It's well equipped with the features you need. Integrated navigation system with voice activation. Front heated leather sports seats. Power heated mirrors. Express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof. Four-wheel anti-lock disc brakes. External memory control. Dual zone climate control. Rear-wheel drive with traction control. Driver and passenger front and seat-mounted airbags. And manual transmission. Road and Track calls the Q60 an awesomely fun car. INFINITI functional craftsmanship surrounds you with infinite possibilities. You need to drive it to believe it. See it for yourself today.
At Audi Atlanta, we prove every day that buying a car can be an enjoyable experience. Contact Audi Atlanta today or stop on by. We're conveniently located at 5805 Peachtree Boulevard in Atlanta.